at A&G Precision, a company working and servicing the manufacturing sector. Now, we all heard on Saturday of Boris Johnson's announcement that we are going into a second lockdown. And the most important thing to all of us is the health of our nation. On a positive note, though, the manufacturing and construction industry are still open for business. And that's exactly what MTD C&C are going to do too. We will continue to promote and service and tell the industry of all the positive stories that are happening on a day-to-day basis.
Here at A&G Precision, we've not seen any downturn in work. In fact, it's gone the other way. What we have to do, we have to keep manufacturing in the country, keep everybody busy, work together, and really climb on board with manufacturing's got to be here to stay. It's our future.
So just like this company, we're going to continue to do everything we did before safely, because we want you to keep those spindles turning.